There's a gym right here. I think I need to go quick pump.
See who's next. Deadpool! Can't expect a miracle betting on a Deadpool.
Hi, I've seen no lost my key card. Could you log me in? First name, Dead. Last name, Pull.
Yeah, clean as a whistle!
Sorry, no weapons in the gym?
In the crib.
But doll, it's the only protection I use. Shields me chimichangas if she damages anything.
Crib. Yeah, crib. Like where we live. Who's hungry?
Good thing to always keep a spare. Now that's motivation. Shoot and score. Oh, the love of my second dreams. Everything I've always wanted. Need a spot? I'm the new personal trainer here. Oh, she smells like a bag full of puppy ears and roses. Oh, I just want it all.
When I was a little boy, I wanted to be a hero.
The truth is, when you get older, sometimes things don't always turn out the way you hope they would. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Handle that business. Believe in yourself. Create your own destiny.
Enough of all the games. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to deadlift a shitload of heavy metal. Hold the Metallica, please. Let's go. I want you to envision yourself dropping your nuts to the ground as low as you can, squeezing the life out of your butt cheeks.
With all these females around, it's hard not to catch a boner. Mini chucks, could a woodchuck chuck, could a woodchuck, could chuck lift. Can a superhero even get stronger? I mean, I don't even see the purpose. But one thing is, why am I talking like Donald Trump right now? I'm gonna eventually shit myself.
The weights, idiot.
This is for every stormtrooper that has missed a shot.
Well, that's the end of this. Make sure you go watch Deadpool 2. In theaters now. That's a black finger.
When I was a little boy, I wanted to be a hero.
The truth is, when you get older, sometimes things don't always turn out the way you hope they would. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Handle that business. Believe in yourself. Create your own destiny.
My name is Jeff. Ex-jefe, man.